Hi friends, welcome to my channel Aroma at Usha. Today I am going to prepare soft, mouth melting, healthy and tasty beetroot shami kebab. The ingredients are 300 grams of beetroot, 150 grams of Bengal gram dal, 1 number of 2-inch size cinnamon stick, 1 number of mace, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom, 2 numbers of cloves, quarter tablespoon of garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of roasted cumin seeds powder, quarter tablespoon of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 number of chopped onion, roasted Bengal gram dal powder for binding, required amount of salt. Then for shallow frying, you can use either oil and ghee mixed together. I have taken 300 grams of beetroot. I have peeled the skin and I have cut it into big chunks. Now with a pressure cooker, add the chopped beetroot. To this add 1 number of 2-inch size cinnamon stick, 1 number of mace, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom, 2 numbers of cloves, add quarter cup of water, add required amount of salt, shake it well, cover it with the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles. Now take 150 grams of Bengal gram dal, wash it and take it in a pressure cooker. It's not necessary to soak the Bengal gram dal, you can cook directly. Add 3 times water to that of Bengal gram dal, that is for 1 cup of Bengal gram dal you must add 3 cups of water. Cover it with a lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Now the beetroot is cooked. I have drained the juice. I am not going to discard the juice. I am going to use it for soup or kurma. Now the Bengal gram dal, otherwise known as chana dal, is also cooked. I have drained the water. Now put the chana dal, that is cooked chana dal and cooked beetroot in a mixer jar and blend it. Blend it finely. Now this is the blended beetroot and Bengal gram dal put together. Add quarter tablespoon of garam masala powder. Add quarter teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half tablespoon of roasted cumin seeds powder. Add quarter tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 1.5 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Add 1 finely chopped onion. Add required amount of salt. Mix it well. I have taken some roasted Bengal gram dal and I have powdered it using a mixer jar. Now I am adding that powder to the beetroot chana dal mixture. Now mix well. I have mixed it. The mixture is stiff enough to hold with our hands. Now roll it and form patties. I have made the patties. Now we are going to shallow fry it. Now heat a kadai and pour oil. You can also pour oil and ghee mixed together. I am using only oil. When the oil gets heated, place the patties one by one. Cook in slow flame. When one side gets cooked, turn it and cook the other side. Pour little oil. Let the other side also get cooked. Now the other side is also cooked. Take it out from the kadai. Now scrape the remnants that are in the kadai and clean it with a dry cloth before going into next batch. Now I am going to shallow fry the next batch. Likewise, repeat the process for the next batches. Now I am going to prepare a sauce for this kebab. For this, I have taken one number of tomato, handful of coriander leaves, quarter portion of onion, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, lime and salt. To prepare the sauce, I am going to blanch the tomatoes. For that, make a crisscross cut at the bottom of the tomato. Now I am going to put this tomato in the boiling water for 1 minute. When you are dropping it in boiling water, simmer the flame and drop. After 1 minute, take it out and immerse it in cold water. Take it out and peel the skin. Now cut the tomatoes and put it in a mixer jar. Add handful of coriander leaves. Add quarter portion of onion. Add quarter teaspoon of red chili powder. Add required amount of salt. Squeeze half of lime. And grind it into fine paste. Now our sauce for beetroot shami kebab is ready. Serve this sauce with our yummy and healthy beetroot shami kebab. Thanks for watching this video. Try this at home and give your feedback.